Hey guys, this is my 2018 4Runner. We're gonna get all of this top interior all black, carpet new, well, a different material. We'll show you more when we go up front. So main goal is just to have that two-tone. So as you see, it's black right here. Then we're gonna leave this as it is, and then this is gonna be all taken out and with black. So main reason, because when I got this car, there's hair stuck in here and I don't like that and I can't get it out for the life of me. And the reason is this car is just, you can see by the last owner, I don't know what the hell their issue was, but I guess it just got like wrinkles, there's dirt, and I'd rather just prefer black all the way around, to be honest, because I think it just looks way more nicer and so much more cooler in here, so much more darker in here, especially since I have my windows tinted. Emblems are blacked out, so that's what we did so far with this 4Runner. Next, like I said, is just getting this whole interior all black, which I'm super excited for. This is basically going to be the material of the new one, same as my visor. And the good news is once they get this all cleaned up, we're no longer going to have these stickers on, so we're going to go ahead and do that process. Back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mariah, guys. I'm super excited to share this with you guys because my 4Runner is finally done out of the shop. A Fine Line Upholstery, guys. They did a terrific job. I am so happy. I cannot stop smiling every time I see my 4Runner. I have a smile on my face because I love it. I get to show you guys the inside now, what I ended up doing, which was I changed the whole top interior, as you guys seen in the beginning of this video, of what it looked like before to now what it looks like now. And I'm totally in love with it and I couldn't be happier, and this is the best decision I made to do a mod on my 4Runner. The next decision I made besides blacking out all the emblems like I did on the side right there. So let's go ahead and show you guys the inside because I'm super excited to show you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this baby up and look at that. Look how beautiful and seamlessly on the edges. The main thing that I'm most proud of, guys, look how beautiful. Oh my god, I so love it compared to what it was before. It just makes everything feel new and fresh, and I just love the two-tone now that I especially have in the 4Runner itself. Okay, so this is from the front. So the main thing that I was saying before was that what I love about this is basically the head visor itself. Before, there was just all these stickers on it. This is all nice matte black, still continuing that two-tone color, and like everything these are also stayed the same from the original. I didn't change these out. I was thinking about changing these out to black, but I'm so glad I did it. It just looks beautiful with the two-tone. I didn't think it would come out as good, but it came out wonderful. So I am definitely not disappointed at all. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the back of the trunk, guys. I need to show you guys how it looks like from the back, because before and after, this is what blew me away, because it just looks seamlessly and everything just looks more fresher. And top it off, the main reason why I wanted to change it, which I probably would have never thought of changing it to begin with, was mainly because my car, it's a 2018, it's used, but it's still in really great condition. The original headliner, which I didn't like, the main thing that I had with the original was, if you guys recall from the beginning, this was all like weird line scratches. There was just weird like trace marks. And then when it came to the crease up here, the owners must have had a dog, because there was literally dog hair or cat hair, whatever the heck kind of pet they had, hair stuck in my liner, and I didn't like that, and I had to change it out, and it had like a musky odor. But since I changed this, I'm in love with the new look. I love the two-tone. Like I said, it just made everything look more fresher in here. It smells fresher in here. It looks good from afar. When you roll down that back window, you could see the two-tone as well. I just love it overall. I couldn't be any happier, guys. This is like the best decision I made that I'm super happy about. I mean, obviously there's so much more mods I gotta do to my 4Runner that comes to the lift kit, the new tires, the rims, and you know, the ladder, the rack. There's so many things you could do to a 4Runner that's just so much time investing and a lot of money, but you just take it day by day. And just all the little mods I'm doing, I'm just very happy. But the most big purchase that I did was basically the top liner, changing it all to black. Basically cost me only 900 bucks, which isn't much for me. So I was really happy with the quality of work. They do amazing work, and they keep very clean, and everything is very tightly sealed. So as you can see, everything is very tightly sealed. Nothing has gaps around it. Everything is just super nice and tight when it comes to fitting in the headliner. So I'm very impressed, and I loved the detail work. They paid attention to making sure everything was fit tightly in between all the creases, so there is nothing bulge. Everything's just tightly fitted into my 4Runner, which I'm love, and I'm very happy with the quality. Only spent 900 bucks just to get this done alone, just the top. I'm very happy with their work. I would go back there again if I ever need anything else done. They do carpet, they do seats. Basically, they make patterns there, guys, for boats, cars, you name it, whatever you need to fix, furniture as well. So if you guys are looking for somebody to do upholstery or update upholstery in your car, boat, maybe some furniture you have laying around, go to Fine Line Upholsteries. I'll leave their number, details, description all down below, so you guys could check them out and see what they're all about as well. Give them a call. You will not be disappointed with their work. They're very busy people, and they constantly have people coming in and out of their shop. But other than that, guys, like I said, I couldn't be any happier with the work they done to my 4Runner. Literally, I get smiles, and I just get the most happiest when I'm driving my car. So that's an update on my 4Runner. Keep in tune, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me tricking out this 4Runner as the time goes by. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!